Have you been seeing this type of viral village renovation videos all over social media lately? You know, the ones where old, rundown houses get transformed into stunning modern homes, and you just can't stop watching? Ever wondered how those videos are actually made? Well, take a look at this channel. Just one of their videos has racked up over 31 million views, and all they post are village renovation videos, nothing else. And here's what's going to blow your mind. Every single one of these videos was made entirely with AI. No real construction, no film crew, no editing skills needed. Just free AI tools that anyone can use. And the best part? They're surprisingly easy to make. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to create these viral AI village renovation videos without spending a dime. All right, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is head to the description below and open the link to my Telegram channel to access the document I've provided. Inside that document, you'll find a master prompt that I've put together specifically for this. Go ahead and copy the entire prompt. Yes, it's a bit lengthy, but every part of it matters. Now head over to ChatGPT and paste it in. The moment you hit enter, ChatGPT is going to generate 10 unique renovation video ideas for you to choose from. For this tutorial, I'm going to go with the Riverside Slum Settlement Renovation concept because people love it most. So I'll simply type 1 to select it. What ChatGPT does next is really where the magic happens. It gives you a complete set of image prompts and image to video prompts for your entire video. Everything is laid out for you, scene by scene. Now let's bring these prompts to life. Head over to Google Flow AI and sign up for a free account. New accounts get around 100 credits to play with and 50 credits daily. Once you are in the dashboard, select Create Image. For the model, go with Nano Banana Pro. Set your preferred aspect ratio. For this, you can go with 9:16 for shorts and 16:9 for long-form videos. Choose how many outputs you want. Then grab that first image prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Flow AI, and hit Generate. Within seconds, your first renovation image is done. Pick the one that looks best to you, and if you do not like it, you can regenerate. Click on the image to add it to the scene. Then move on to the second image prompt, paste it in, generate, and repeat. Keep going until you've created all the images. Once all images have been generated, click on the download button to save them to your device and make sure you download it in 2K resolution. Now here's where it gets exciting. We're turning those still images into actual video clips. In Flow AI, go to the video section and select Frames to Video. Set the aspect ratio to match that of the image you just generated, which is 9:16. I will leave the number of output to 1. Make sure to select VEO 3.1, Fast. Now, for the first and last frames, select your first image as frame 1 and your second image as frame 2. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the first video prompt, paste it in, and generate. Just like that, your first renovation clip is done, and it looks incredible. Let me show you. For the next clip, set image 2 as frame 1 and image 3 as frame 2. Paste in the second video prompt and generate again. Follow this same process until you've created all the other video clips, then download them to your device. Now it's time to put everything together. Open up your editing software, whatever you're comfortable with, and import all the clips. Arrange them in order so they tell the full renovation story from start to finish. Zoom in just slightly on each clip to crop out any logos or watermarks. Drop in some background music that fits the vibe. Export your video. And just like that, here's the final result. That's the entire process for creating Viral Village, renovation videos using nothing but AI. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to AI Pipeline so you don't miss more tutorials like this one.